Hello again. So here comes the fun part. We cover all of our body masses now. It's time to play around with them. So as a basic rule, characters with very similar body masses are boring. You want to create some contrast. So let's try a very simple thing. Let's do a character with a very wide chest and a very small hip. So we're using very basic tools on the technical side, so you don't have to worry about that. It's all about understanding the theory now. Now let's do the opposite. Let's do a character with large hips and a small torso. See the difference? By just altering these two body masses, I already have two different characters. It's also a good idea to have these three basic shapes in mind: a circle or ellipse, a rectangle, and a triangle. To create a simple triangle on Adobe Illustrator, you can either use the pen tool to free draw it, or use the star tool and reduce the number of points to 3. You can assign these three shapes to any of the body parts. Now let's modify the head a little bit for each of these characters. I'm going to give the one with a big torso a large cranium and a small jaw. And for the other one, I'm going to do the exact opposite. So let's complete these characters by adding the limbs. For the one on the left, let's create long, thick legs by using the rectangle tool. As for the feet, we're going to create just a very small triangle. This will help create some extra contrast. You have long, thick legs and very small feet. So the contrast also works within a body part. For the other character, let's do the opposite. Let's do short, skinny legs with long feet. Okay, same goes for the arms. I'm going to use rectangles and then round them by using the live corners tool. The one on the left will have strong arms and the other one will have skinny arms. For the hands, I'll just use ellipses or circles. So, there we have it. Here's the basic structure for two different characters. We don't have any color or detail yet, but we can use these initial structures to build the finished character designs. But we do have enough to check one very important aspect: the silhouette. Let's fill all those shapes with black to take a look at just the silhouette of these characters. You should be able to identify them by just looking at this. Also, the silhouette should be clear and readable. Okay, so far so good. On the next video we're going to create some actual characters, so get ready.